Hello everyone, this is James Frederickson. I'm a retired mechanical engineer. I've been teaching at the Doniana Community College since about 1987. I've taught in the computer tech department, the drafting department, the engineering department, and the aerospace technology department. So I guess if you add all those years up, it's something like 34 years I've been teaching. I guess if I was to discuss my teaching philosophy, I would have to say that I'm pretty pragmatic. I always take a practical approach to things, and I believe that people learn by doing. This is my Canvas homepage. Here's a picture of me right here with my email address and my online office hours. I'm available Monday and Wednesdays, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. via Zoom. My office, if I get to use it, is at the Workforce Center in room DAWD 114B, and there's a contact phone there as well. The best way to contact me online is by using the Canvas messaging system, or some people refer to it as Canvas email, so of course you'd go to the inbox. Emails will be responded to within 24 hours, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday and Sunday emails will be responded to the following Monday. I'd like to show you a little bit about the modules that I've constructed, so I'm going to go up here and select Modules. And up at the top is Learner Support. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. And here's my Start Here module. It starts off with a welcome letter. There's a link to the syllabus right here, and I've also embedded a video that you can look at that describes my syllabus. Purchase your text and other materials. Let me just show you this one real quick. It's short. So it tells you the text, and then it says the textbook can be obtained at the Doniana bookstore online or at the bookstore at the University Shopping Center across from Garcia Hall. Renting a textbook is also acceptable. And then it says right beneath there you need a USB drive. And of course a computer equipped with a microphone and a speakers, as well as a flatbed scanner. So these are some of the requirements for my class. Let me go back to where I was. I've got an etiquette guide here, so you can read about that. One of the things that I require my students to do is to obtain Microsoft Office 2016. So what I've done is I've included a link here. If you're an NMSU student or a Doniana Community College student, you can download Office 365 for free. I always like to remind students that it takes about 8 hours in the evening for a download on this product, so it's not a rush, so you never want to wait till the last minute. Let me go back to the module again. Okay, I've got a student questionnaire that I ask students to fill out. It just asks things like what their classification is, if they're a freshman, sophomore, junior, contact information, and some various other things. And then I've got a little quiz. It's over the syllabus. It's a scavenger hunt. I think I allow everybody to take it 3 times with the higher of the 3 scores counting. And then I've got a introduce yourself discussion. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and just go over it real quickly. So this is a standard introduce yourself discussion. You can do it in the form of a video. And it's got 2 due dates to it. It says state your name and classification, tell your classmates what your major is, and indicate how you will be budgeting your time this semester to successfully complete your coursework. And then I said, please limit your videos to 3 minutes or less. So this is a little video on how Canvas discussions work. And then I've shown a little graphic here that indicates which button you're supposed to press to do a video discussion. So let me go ahead and go on back now. So after you complete the discussion assignment, there's another assignment, assignment number 2. It's called EBOK. It stands for Engineering Body of Knowledge. And what I've tried to do at the beginning of all my assignments is list the learning objectives at the top, and then kind of a step-by-step on how you're supposed to complete the assignment. And I always like to put at the end of the module, make sure to contact your instructor if you have any questions. And this is module 2 that I built. We started off with synopsis and objectives. There they are. Here's my objectives. If I click the next button, it should take me to the next portion of the module. And here's my checklist with some hyperlinks, along with due dates. This is a PowerPoint presentation. It'll take some time to load, so I'm just going to skip over it. So this is a presentation that I created. And I believe the next one is also another presentation that I created. And I've got a video that I found on YouTube on how to read a dial caliper. So this is a precision measuring instrument. And this one's on how to, or rather, what is a vertical milling machine? And this one is how to square a vise on a milling machine. And then I've got a discussion at the end of this module. It's over the last space shuttle mission. Once again, with the learning objectives at the top. There's a video here that you have to watch. And then there's a help video here if you're unfamiliar with Canvas discussions. Go to the next button. And then I've also got an exam. It's a comprehensive exam for that module. I can preview it for you. You can just kind of take a quick look at maybe some of the questions. So it's true and false and multiple choice. And then near the bottom here, I've got an essay type question. So it says, explain what is meant by the professional certifications associated with engineering disciplines / specialties and list 3 certifications. So this came from the video from the discussion. When you're done, of course, you submit the quiz. We won't do that. I'll go back and back one more time. And I'll click the next button. And then I've got my end of module number 2. It said that completes the learning module for this week. Make sure that you've completed the following discussion and exam before the due dates expire. And of course, here's the 2 things that you have to complete, and there's links to those. So that's a little bit about my class. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye-bye.